Okay, so you got Professor Furlong. How should you study for your first test? My advice, focus on the past test. Get the past tests, do the past tests, practice the past tests. If you can do those questions, you know the concept. If you can't do the questions, then you know what to study. Doing it that way is better. The other way, the typical way, the normal way, the average way, the way I study for the first test, that'll get you the average mark. To beat the average, you got to study differently. So I suggest focusing first on the past tests. Do them. Secondly, don't be nervous. Try not to be nervous. That is going to affect your performance. You're a first-year student. How many tests have you written so far? None. So you'll be nervous. What happens when you're nervous? You do worse. Second-year students, third-year students, why aren't they having trouble? Why aren't they failing? Why aren't they dropping out? They're not nervous. They've written many tests before. They have experience. First-year students will say, the past test was easy, but the one they wrote was hard. Next-year students are going to say, your test was easy, but the one they wrote was hard. Something doesn't make sense. How could you both be right? Something doesn't make sense. The answer, the reason, is nervousness. The pressure to perform will make you nervous. You will perform worse. When you study, you must practice not to be nervous. Have your friend ask you questions. Study under test conditions. Try not to be nervous. You must overcome them. If you can, you'll do better. Good luck.